It's time. It's time to make a video. Gotta give a shout out, Casper the Ghost, 419. Music, buddy. I'm hooked on that song. With a parody. I will be coming to Toledo soon to party with the big T in his crib from one trailer park to another. You don't believe me? Ask my mother. I will be sipping on a spark. That's right. It's Blackberry. Never had it. We probably never will again. 8%. 16 ounces. Premium. Malt liquor. Come home today and I have a new glass. I don't even know if you want to call that a mug, but and it's colder than fuck here in Ohio. And my finger's stuck in the glass. That's all I do. It's like 30 degrees up here. Had to get my phosphorus tire out. In case y'all don't know, I'm a two-time. That's right, two-time heavyweight tough man champion. Before I turned 40, that is. And I have to do my mug. Now you know. Label out. They didn't take the fucking sticker off. You know why? Fuck it. I'm gonna do something different. Yeah. But don't add the Mad Dog. Won't be a video. They gotta have a splash of Mad Dog in there. It's time. Cheers, Captain Mike Wood. Wait for it, motherfucker. That's how we do it in the woods. Later, bitches.